welcome back to Sparkle with Jyoti. Those who are new, my name is Jyoti and I make videos about Sweden lifestyle culture. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing as you will find lots of information, useful information about Sweden and the entire details about the country. So yeah, today I have this video I had asked you about some questions to send to me through email, and I am going to answer your questions. So your questions and my answers about Sweden. This is an entire series, so do consider sticking to the videos because this is going to be a continuous series coming up every week with all your questions and whatever in detailed answers. So yeah, hit the bell button and subscribe to the channel and get all the information. So my phone, because I want to tell you like what kind of questions people have asked me, and if your question is not in this particular video, please stick to the next video because what happens, I cannot make the video too long. तो मैं क्या करूँगी कि I will take first come first serve basis questions. तो जैसे मुझे क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू रिप्लाई अकॉर्डिंगली. तो हो सकता है कि आपके आंसर्स इस वीडियो में ना हो, बट डू नॉट गेट डिस्करेज, योर आंसर्स विल बी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो दिस इज अ सीरीज ऑफ वीडियोज इज गोइंग टू कम every week, so do stay tuned for that. I would like to thank you guys for sending me your questions. You're showing so much of trust on me, so thank you so much for that. Or I'm so excited for this series that I'm able to help you and use my experience of living here in helping you and answering your queries. So I'm super excited. Now let's get started. तो पहला क्वेश्चन मुझे भेजा है सूरज पौडेल ने, and yeah, so the question goes like this. It goes that I really like your channel. You have helped me a lot. I started learning Swedish after watching your videos. Thank you, Suraj. You mentioned the book named Emma's Liv Första Dansen. I have searched it as an ebook but could not find. Let me search that for you, Suraj, because these all material, since I attend Swedish classes, I get a lot of material from my class, from my school itself. So let me see if it is available as an ebook. I don't think so. It might be available, but it is available in the local library where I live, like in Sweden Library. If you go, then you will be finding. And Sweden Library also has a site, like a e-commerce site as well. So I think it will be available there. But if you are in India or any other places, you will not be able to access to that. So let me check if I can find a copy for you. Okay. Please suggest me any ebooks for beginners to advanced level. In addition, are there any skills that we need to learn from our home country so that we can get job easily in Sweden? You are doing a great job. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much, Suraj, who is from Nepal. So thank you so much for submitting your question and trusting me. So first part I have answered. The second part, what you have said, that you are trying to learn Swedish. So let me recommend you कि there are like two apps, so which you can access from India as well. तो एक है Babbel and the other one is Duolingo. So both the apps are absolutely free for Android. So you can download from Play Store and you can learn the basic Swedish. That also has grammar as well. So you can definitely learn whatever, like the vocabulary as well as little bit of grammar. So I think for the conversational level, basic conversational level, that apps are really good. So you can definitely give it a try. And about the skills required for the job market, what you've asked me, let me tell you, I'm going to make an in-depth video about it very soon. I think by next weekend I'm going to shoot, and in another 1.5 week you should be able to see the video live. So just stay tuned for that because I don't want to make this video too long, because I really want to talk in depth because of the situation everywhere. I have researched like what kind of skills are required in the job market in the upcoming future. So I want to mention that what jobs are in demand in Sweden, what skills you need to acquire in order to work in Sweden. In these lines I'm going to make a video, so stay tuned for that and I'm sure you'll get all your answers. Okay, so thank you so much, Suraj. I hope you got your answers. If you have any question further after this as well, you can please email me back and I'll try to answer it again. Okay, Second question is from Shiksha. Okay, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, girl. So you have written that you're watching my videos and you like it. Thank you so much. And you need some information about. Okay, let me read the question. You are applying for Sweden with your husband on dependent visa. We will be at Sweden at the time of August. So my question is, right now I am pregnant. Congratulations. And we will be moving to Sweden nearby soon. Is there any difficulty occur at the first time coming to there for delivery baby? Is there any facility for us? Can you suggest me any? I would be so thankful to you if you provide me the appropriate solution. You've also asked me another question about PR. So let me tell you, I have an entire dedicated video about PR, permanent residency, on my channel, so you can check it out. But in short, the answer is that you need to stay continuously in Sweden for 4 years, and after staying, then you can apply for your permanent residency, and then that's how you get your PR. Okay, so you need to stay here in Sweden continuously. You can go for 1 or 2 months for holiday to your home country, but you need to be staying here continuously for 4 years. You cannot just disappear 6 months or so and then come back. Okay, so if you are living here for 4 years, you definitely are eligible for PR, and you do get it if your documents and everything is correct. And your other question is that you're coming here for the first time. So don't worry, everything is fine, everything is safe. And I don't know when you are coming. If you're coming, I'm sure you're not coming immediately, because flights to abhi chalu nahi hai. So hopefully the flights will start in June or later. And if you're coming in the second semester, the next semester, like September, October, I think things will settle down till then, so do not worry. And I have lots of videos about delivery, maternity, and how to deliver here, and what kind of facilities are available for parents, new parents, as well as for maternity care. So please check those videos out. Please check all my channel, and if you want, I can link those videos for you in the reply for this email, and then you will get a detailed idea about it. And if still after that you have any further questions, so please email me back on my email ID, and I'll reply you one-on-one, like individually. Okay, I hope that is fine with you. So let me know how you feel, and watch my videos. If you have any after that also, if you have any questions, then please get back to me, do not worry. So yeah, I hope I have answered your question, Shiksha. So thank you so much for submitting the question, dear. This question is submitted by Sanjay Card and Mrs. Rekha Card. I guess they are from Mumbai. So hi, Mrs. Rekha and Mr. Sanjay. Thank you for submitting a question and trusting me. So you have written to me that your son is in the final year BE Computers, and he has applied for Chalmers University. He has got admission, so congratulations for that. And you would like to know the name and contact numbers of students from Mumbai or nearby Mumbai who are studying here and who are interested for the admissions this year. And if there is any Indian forum that are helping new arriving Indian students. So yeah, let me tell you that I have come in contact with many Indian students from different parts of the country, like Mumbai, Pune, Kolhapur, Amravati, Nagpur, like so many students, are here. And there are multiple forums, so काफ़ी फोरम्स है यहाँ पे, जहाँ पे आप इंडियन कम्युनिटी काफ़ी बड़ी है यहाँ पे. आई थिंक देयर डेफिनेटली विल बी लाइक मोर देन 1000 पीपल हियर राइट नाउ. और it's completely safe, so be assured कि आपका child, your son will be completely safe here, do not worry. और काफ़ी forums है, जैसे Facebook groups है, like expats in Sweden है, students in Sweden, and even students from Gothenburg, because Chalmers University है जो Gothenburg में ही based है. So that, so if you search on Facebook, you will find lot of groups. तो what you can do is, वो ग्रुप्स में आप मेंबर बन के then you can approach the students and ask for their feedback. And there is also a blog on Chalmers University का जो वेबसाइट है, उसके ऊपर ब्लॉग भी है. स्टूडेंट्स ने खुद लिखा हुआ है कि वो अपने डेली एक्सपेंसेस कैसे मैनेज करते हैं, फूड कैसे मैनेज करते हैं, हाउ डू दे स्टे, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंड्स दे पे एंड एवरीथिंग। तो आपको अगर चाहिए तो मैं आपको पूरा वो लिंक्स इस आपके मेल के ऊपर रिप्लाई कर सकती हूँ, एंड देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो थ्रू इट एंड चेक। बट बी एश्योर्ड इट्स वेरी सेफ हियर एंड इंडियन कम्युनिटी इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल, और स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो भी काफ़ी लाइक घुल मिल के रहते हैं, एंड इट्स absolutely safe, so do not worry. And I think I don't know when you're coming, if you're coming here in September or the next year, but yes, things are getting little stable here, so aap be assured that it will improve. I think Sweden will is doing good, like there are no cases एकदम ऐसे अचानक से बढ़ नहीं रहे हैं, it's quite stable, so I think things should get normal, finger crossed, but yes, so do not worry. I hope I have answered your question, और इसके बाद भी आप अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है तो you can again email me and then we can interact on email. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much guys. आज का जो लास्ट, आई थिंक ऑलरेडी 10 minutes आर ओवर, तो मुझे ना हरी अप करना पड़ेगा. तो दिस इज अ लास्ट क्वेश्चन विच आई एम गोइंग टू टेक फॉर टुडेज वीडियो, बट डोंट वरी, दिस विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग. तो ये भेजा है मुझे मिस्टर वेंकटा तेजा ने. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सेंडिंग द क्वेश्चन, वेंकटा. एंड you're saying that you are from Chennai and you're studying bachelor's in mechanical engineering final year. You've already got admission at KTH Royal Institute of Technology for your PG program at Sustainable Energy Engineering. Congratulations. And you're asking me that is it a good move? There are multiple questions, so I think it will take time. So let me try and answer it quickly. You're saying that is it a good move to postpone my career program a year later or to try this year itself? To answer that question, I think it is very safe for you to go ahead, because already the schools have started here, and if you are going to come in September, I suppose, right, because that is the next semester in Sweden. तो तब तक तो आई थिंक by that time definitely things will be much better, I feel, because things are already started getting stabilized, places are opening, because as you know, Sweden does not believe in the lockdown strategy, so things will get normal pretty soon, I feel. So I think you can definitely try take admission this year itself. And you're saying that your final semester exams are not yet over due to corona, not sure when this will happen. Okay, that you need to figure out, because if you are coming in September and if your exams are still not over, then you need to calculate the amount of time required. But check with your authorities with your examination, and then you can decide. So that you can do your fees by 31st May. This all is really tricky, but please check with the right authorities, because according to me, these whatever I have been saying in this video, it's all my personal opinion. Okay, so definitely I am not speaking to any authority or any government authority to understand, like what exactly is going on in their thing. But then it's better that you directly contact the right person and speak to them directly, because they might be having some plans, so it will be very clear for you to take these decisions. But according to me, it is safe if you want to take, but then other factors also you need to consider. Okay, and you're saying about the flight tickets, if they're available or no, and if the flight prices will be high. Again, I have no idea about the flight prices. Please go to the flight that particular airline websites and check, or you can connect with the customer care. You can ask them, or what are the prices or how the flights are going to start. But I have few friends working in the airline industry, and they have told me that the flights are going to start slowly from June onwards. So I don't know whether they're starting full-fledged or it's going to be only like minimum number of flights. So check that. You're saying that what you need to get from India here when you're coming, because you're coming for the first time. So again, I will tell you, please watch my videos. I have mentioned everything. I have even a checklist, like it's a PDF file on my website as well as on my channel, which tells you in detail what kind of utensils, what kind of equipments, what kind of everything, like clothes and everything in detail, what you need to bring while coming. So please check that. It's a very pretty extensive in-depth file, so you will get your answers from there. And you have asked me that herd immunity in Sweden, is it all under control? Okay, so, and hope you will read my messages and answer me. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you so much for submitting this question, dear. And yes, Sweden is following the herd immunity approach. And as I told in earlier also that things are getting stabilized a little bit. And anyways, there was no lockdown. So I think in the long term, we just have to learn to live with this, and we cannot stop living our life and just staying at home, right? We need to start going out slowly and everything. So things are getting better. People are moving freely outside, and only those who are sick, they are staying at home. They are advised to stay at home rather. So be assured that things will get normal here, so very soon, I feel. So be assured, and you can definitely come and start your studies pertaining to other factors taken care of. So please go back to the authorities and check about your admissions, about your exams and everything. And once that is clear, according to me, definitely it is fine, completely safe to come here. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you have not got answer for, I have tried to answer 4 questions, and I have couple of questions which I'll be continuing in the next video. So do stay tuned for the next video. If you have not got your answer, do not worry, and you will get your answers. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching all my videos, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye, take care.